This is Chris, DS Dive Service. We're here on the Bobby Mcgee. As you can tell, the water line is horrible. The ablative is really not doing its job. I had to scrape a lot of particles off this bottom. As you can tell, it's just not a good job. I scrubbed this water line. This is the best she got. So we're gonna go down, take a look at the rudder, the prop, all that good stuff. Here we go. We're at the Florida Yacht Marina. I think today, if I'm not mistaken, it's 04/28/22. As you can tell, it's going to take a whole lot of scrubbing and a whole lot of time to get this water line back. Probably needs to be hauled out and redone.